Today we're going to be testing the deck side adhesion, lamination adhesion on elephant skin. This is our most recent elephant skin to date, manufactured in February the 8th, 2019 in a machine direction and a cross direction. And again, we're using Scotch contractor grade masking tape 2020 CG. This is elephant skin. All right, so we're testing elephant skin, delivered, manufactured on February the 8th, 2019. Clean. 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 And clean. So, lost no lamination in a machine direction. Now for the cross direction. Clean again. Clean. 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 And clean. So no lamination lost, no deck side lamination lost in a cross direction or a machine direction. So in summary, the elephant skin manufactured in February of 2019 lost no lamination in a machine direction or a cross direction. Again, suggesting that the manufacturing process is superior to many of the competitors' products that we've tested so far.